Welcome back, Multo families, to our Maths Corner, where great maths minds meet. There's your tagline. Okay, today we're going to play a game called Multo. This is aimed at 3s to 6s, but can be adapted to the younger years. So the first thing you need to do is, on a piece of paper, draw up a grid. 3x3 grid is a good place to start. We're going to be playing today with two 10-sided dice, but you can play with two 6-sided or a 6 and a 10. It's totally up to you. Because we're playing with two 10-sided, we need to fill this grid, Mr. Thorpe, with numbers between 1 and 100. Okay. We can pick any number we like. However, later on I'll explain some strategies to this game. So fill it with numbers. As you are filling it with numbers, what you need to think about is numbers that have a lot of factors. For example, the number 1, if I roll these two dice, I can only get in one way. 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. So if I have a 1 on this game board and I roll that, I can cross it out. A number like 24, though, has more factors. It's got 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. So lots more chances of rolling that number. So once you've filled it out, I'm going to do mine really, really quickly. Might fast forward this on the video if we can. All right. Numbers, for example, like 50 that I have put on here, we can only get one way. 5 multiplied by 10. There are some numbers that we cannot get by rolling these two dice. An example of that would be 98. There is no possible way of getting the answer or the product to 98 by rolling these two dice. So, here we go. Your numbers?
Yep.
2 multiplied by the number is 0, it's 10. 2 times 10. 20. Yes.
Can I cross it off on my board if you roll it?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yep.
we can both, okay.
Both cross it off.
So my roll. My numbers are 6 and 1, so 6 times 1.
Yep.
Can't get it, so we just keep rolling.
Keep rolling.
Yep.
Now the winner of this game, 9 times 7 is 63. The winner of this game is the person who gets 3 in a row, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally.
8 times 8, no.
6 times 1.
Should have gone 6, it's come up a couple of times.
Now as you play this at home, you can keep track of how many times each number comes up, and you will find patterns that some numbers come up more than others. This can lead to some really rich discussions about why, and they are because those numbers have lots of factors to them.
9 times 0, couldn't happen.
1 times 6 again.
Still can't happen. Wow, couldn't have that. Couldn't have been over. Just should have written 6 on my board 3 times.
Now you cannot double up with numbers. If you've got the number 12, you cannot write it anywhere else. You may also like to think about where you place these numbers. A number like 24 with lots of factors is really good in your corners or in the middle, because there are then lots of ways that you can use it to make your 3 in a row.
1 and 10, no. 6 and 0, wow, I keep rolling that 0. 7 times 8, nope. 2 times 7, 14, yeah, bang, I had that. Okay.
Now I played this in my grade this year, and we actually challenged 2 Year 10 boys who are here on work experience, and my maths group beat the 2 Year 10 boys, and they are good mathematicians.
5 times 4, 20, oh, 10.
3 times 8. 24.
Ooh.
So I need one more number to win, and you need one more number to win. 2 8 is
Ooh, I need
16. Oh wow, you have 2 ways of winning. I still only have 1. 4 times 3 is 12.
Ooh,
I now have
now
another
I've got
way.
lots of ways of winning. So you're in trouble, Miss Melville.
Oh, your turn to roll.
Yep. 3 times 2 is 6.
Again,
6.
6. But it shouldn't happen.
4 times 1.
And there's another conversation, chance. The chance of these things happening is still equal no matter how many times you roll the number.
6 times 2, already gone.
3 times 10. Nope. We're going to play this until someone wins.
I think they get the idea now. You can keep going. They can just keep
win, to
watching.
be
Okay.
honest. Don't like losing here. 72. Nope.
No. 2 times 8.
Nope.
9 times 1. No. 9 times 2.
Oh,
Oh yeah! You like weird things, bad luck, Miss Novel. I had 1. Thank you, Multo families. We know who is the true winner of Multo here.
So you can play this as a game of Addo for the younger years. So the difference will be that the highest number you can get on two 10-sided dice is 10 plus 10. On two 6 two-sided dice, it can be 12. It's played exactly the same way. So you roll the 2 dice, you add the 2 numbers together this time. So 1 plus 4 is 5. If you have 5 on your grid, you can cross it off. Another way you can play it is subtraction. So you roll the 2 dice and you subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Lots of different ways to play this game. We hope you enjoy.
Well done, Miss Mill. I think it's a great game from prep all the way through to grade 6. It can be played. Well done. Thank you.